Once you've taken your video, you can control it several ways. You can hit just the play button and let it play all the way through, which we've already looked at this earlier where I slid my air disc across, and here it comes. Remember, that's probably about the right pace, and if it doesn't take very long to do it. If you throw it too fast or too slow and your data's messed up, then you can always just redo it real quick. I can also control the picture by the slider on the bottom. I can move it back and forth. Okay, and in the lower right hand corner I have the time right here, and that's what I'm going to need. So I'm going to move it until it gets right about the beginning, and then to go one frame at a time I can just hit the double arrow here. What you want to do is you want to decide what part of the disc you're going to say is the beginning. I picked the front edge. So that was my first time I recorded, and it's 42.2. And then you can move it to the next disc. If you overshoot, you can back up with this. And what I did is get fairly consistent. I always took the last frame. Now I've gone past that mark, so I back up one frame, I'm in front of it. If you want to really be accurate, you could probably split the difference between those two times. This is 42.3, and that's 42.33. So probably if a person did 43.31, it would probably be a little more accurate, because that's almost there but not quite there. If you want to try to be that accurate, that's fine. Or you can just take the last time from the last frame before you hit the tape mark. And then you just keep doing that. You can just keep tapping it. I went over and I go back and I take the next time, 42.4, and you work your way all the way across. And that's the data collection for this lab.